hello to all our listeners. This is Filed Under, where we talk about all things movies and all things shows. P.S. Spoilers ahead.
Spoilers ahead, and that's why you have to settle in mga kauban and get your notes app ready for Filed Under Classics.
Ayan. So, good day everyone sa ating nanonood. And
Yes, hello, good morning
good day,
everyone.
DJ Charles.
Yes, hello, DJ Hazam.
I am back again.
And I am back after after the pilot episode, like, a lot.
Last episode was the pilot episode.
That was my first episode.
Last episode.
Last episode pa.
Last episode ko, tong last episode before nito,
Yes,
I guess.
very active siya. So ako very busy. So
They're
like,
so valid. Pero ngayon
Yes.
ang pag-uusapan naman natin, kung last episode we talked about mga feel-good recommendations, I believe, and must-watch films. Ngayon,
Yes.
we'll talk about classics.
classics. Oh, so let me ask you a question. How what does it mean to be called classics na movies?
I think hindi rin ako sure, pero from what I believe, mga films na could rather be very iconic or like films na mga old films like
Old
19
films,
20th century films.
but old films that has withstood time that up to this day na for me lang relevant gihapon siya.
Actually,
Yes.
So speaking of classical films or classics
Classics
na films,
in
I'll start with
general.
my first recommendation.
Go.
My first recommendation is Jumanji.
Jumanji, yes.
Napanood mo na ba
Yes,
yun?
of course.
Pero-
That's such a childhood classic.
Yeah, hindi siya yung Jumanji nila The Rock ba yun?
Oh, The Rock.
Si Rock.
Dwayne Johnson.
Oh, Dwayne Johnson.
Yes.
Pero yung Jumanji nung 1995.
1995.
Pinanganak ka na ba nun?
I think nasa abugan pa lang ako niyan.
Ako, kaya ano pa ako?
Saan ka pa ba?
Parang nasa mundo pa ako ng mga hangin.
Mga hangin pa siya.
So, interestingly, bakit Jumanji ang pinili ko? Kasi I think na from that film, maraming lessons ang natutuhan ng mga tao.
Okay.
As well as it continued the franchise. Meron ng Jumanji ngayon.
Up till ilan ba?
Third na sila.
Third movie?
I think
Fourth?
they just finished filming the third one.
The third one.
Oh, yun. The next level, Kinesu.
So, pinaka-favorite mo na scene from there?
So, pinaka-favorite na ko na scene doon is yung last scene.
Last scene.
Last scene actually nung nagkita sila balik ng mga bata. Kasi ang nangyari kasi, napasok si Alan. Si Alan, siya si Robin Williams.
Robin Williams daw, guys.
Rest in power. Nung bata siya, napasok siya doon sa board.
As a board.
Pumasok siya doon. Tapos, umabot siya sa forest. Then, after pila ka years, like 20 years or so, may nakahawak or nakadiscover na book. Bata yun sila. The Shepherds. Yun, sila dalawa. I forgot their names. Pero yun, dalawa sila, babae o lalaki.
Yes.
And then, nung binuksan nila, they rolled the dice and dumating na yung na-roll na dice ng isa sa mga bata na yun is para malabas si Alan. So, paglabas niya doon, he's old na. Hindi na siya bata noon.
So, hindi nag-freeze yung time once you're inside a board?
Hindi.
Hindi. So, you get to live your life talaga there.
Oo. Pero, why I love the last scene kasi nung na-fix nila or like natapos nila yung game correctly, kay nabalik actually si Alan sa past.
Ay.
So, bumalik siya as bata.
So, he's a time traveler na.
Oh, time traveler na siya in a sense. And then, nung lumaki na siya, na-meet niya ulit yung dalawa kabata. So, dapat, di ba, hindi na niya kilala kasi in that timeline or that reality, never sila nag-meet kasi bumalik
In the
man siya
first
sa
place.
dati.
Yes.
Oo. Pero, interestingly enough, naalala ng mga bata si Alan, maski tigulang na siya.
Really? That's interesting, no?
So, yun ang favorite scene ko. Ikaw, na-watch mo na ba?
Yes, favorite scene ko kay Katong nagawa sa mga animals.
Oo.
Yes,
Anong favorite animal mo doon?
I don't know.
Ano bang spirit
There's a
animal
lot.
mo?
My spirit animal is actually an owl.
Bakit?
Because I'm a nocturnal.
Ah.
Yes, I work at night, guys. Like,
Sa ako, my spirit animal is an elephant.
an elephant, why naman
Kasi
elephant?
gusto ko lang.
Gusto mo lang, yes.
Oo.
I mean, that's valid.
Pero the next day, ang spirit animal ko naman ay
ano?
snake.
Snake. I wonder why.
Kasi nanood ako ng Anaconda kagabi.
Anaconda na music video?
No. Hindi. Anaconda na film sa Netflix. Kasi showing siya ngayon.
Starred by who?
Yung si Ant-Man and then si Jack Black. Si Kung Fu Panda.
Kung Fu Panda.
So they did, pero wag na yun. Ano natin pag-usapan?
My Anaconda dope.
Copyright tayo.
Copyright tayo.
So, Bukod din sa animals, bakit ano pa mga favorite scenes mo dun sa Jumanji?
Oh, katong nag-sync sila.
Nag-sync?
Yeah, sa second floor.
Ah!
Yes,
oo,
na
tapos
quicksand.
nag-stop
Yes, nag-stop.
nag-stop siya.
Mhm.
So yung kalahati ng body niya nasa baba. Kalahati nasa taas.
Nasa
So
taas.
manananggal na siya nun.
Yes, technically. Pero luckily hindi naputol, diba?
Wali ang entries ko today.
Oh my
Okay.
God.
Sa ano pa ba mapag-usapan nun? To be honest, it's ahead of its game. It's ahead of its time. Kasi,
Yes. The technology that they used.
ang editing rin.
Editing din, the CGI.
Kasi convincing siya until today. May mga parts, for example, tong monkeys na dinumog sa kitchen, mapansin ko na murag, dili man siya tinuod. Pero,
Pero-
tong mga other animals, murag siya tinuod.
Pero considering the time na gi-shoot ang
Nung
film,
time na yun,
yes,
oo.
that's very impressive, no? Kay, I mean, there's a lot of comparison na like modern films that kanang sometimes like that the animation is not so giving. Yeah, compare nimo sa mga classical movies like
Which justifies bakit siya classic.
yes.
Kasi it can stand
Scan
time.
time.
Oh, so, nagasit ba ang time?
I don't know. Nakatayo siya,
Mali
best.
ang Tuesday.
Oh, di siya benta for me.
Sorry. Ate Reg, nasaan ka? Sorry.
Yes.
Okay, sa ano pa ba pwede natin pag-usapan sa Jumanji? Actually, ginawa rin siyang game, like actual game. yung
Actual
board
game.
Yeah.
Have you tried?
Wala pa. Wala kasi, parang mahal masyado siya.
Shout out to Kuya Lou Coralde.
Nakatry kayo?
Kanang, hindi pa.
Ay,
Like, shout out
sa
lang
ano?
kana ano. Like, baby, makabalik ka ng Jumanji. Yes, para mag-play tayo.
Sino ba yun?
Si Kuya Lou from Luzon.
Ah,
Via stat.
Mag-shoutout na lang
Yeah,
sa
shout out sa iyo,
Shout out
Kuya
PJ
Lou.
Reg.
Yes.
Kay benta lang ang joke ko sa'yo. Baka naman, insert ka dito ngayon.
Yes.
Pwede joke lang. Okay. Anong lessons na feel mo ma-learn natin sa Jumanji?
Number one for sure is di ka manghilabot og gamit.
Tama?
Tama.
Tama. Beta, lalo na pag hindi sa'yo.
Di sa'yo.
Oo. I think, pero feel ko na-attract lang naman si Alan about dun sa movie, about sa board na yun kay actually, gi-bury kasi yung
Of
board
course,
na
the
yun.
curiosity of a
Parang sabi niya,
kid.
Hala, unsa man ni.
Yes.
Libre pa jud. Sa akin naman, ang lesson ako doon kay take
What?
risks, but calculate them.
Calculated risk.
Oo, take calculated risk. So like, need mo ng mga
Ano ba yung formula for
calculus
that?
Or
Quadratic formula.
quadratic function.
Ah,
Or basta kala
yes.
ganun. So, be calculated. So, yun. Ano pa ba?
Kuan siguro,
Ano pa
Okay
ba?
lang yan.
So, ako na lang. Ikaw na lang. Comment.
ano lang, kanang, think out of the box lang yun.
Think out of the board. Kasi board
Think out of
kasi
the
yun.
board.
Yeah.
Okay. Think
So,
out
bored
of the
na
board.
ako. Joke lang. Okay. And then, I think it's also, important how you value your time. Kaya, dugay siya sa forest ato and like, sabi ko, makaya na yun siya lang isa, tapos like, wala siyang resources masyado. How did he do that?
Diba?
Pero I think, nakabawi naman siya nung nabalik na siya sa present life niya. And it's good na they had in good terms. Kasi, feeling ko napilitan na siya mag-Jumanji kay mag-play nung board kasi gi-invite niya si Ate Girl na
Si Ate
type
Girl.
niya. Sino ba si Ate Girl na yun?
The things we do for kiat-kiat, no? Yes. Ikaw
So,
na kiat-kiat na
so
ba
yung,
ka?
wala pa.
Ay,
So
wala
yung
pa.
Jumanji is sinaunang Tinder.
Oh my God!
Imbis na swipe, mag-dice.
Mag-dice na lang.
Oo, roll the dice.
Yes, pero like, considering the classic yun talaga Jumanji na first movie, paano mo i-rate yung mga succeeding mo, like the sequels?
The sequel's actually fun siya kasi reimagining. Like, ginawang board game ang Jumanji and super fun si Kevin Hart and
Yes,
Dwayne Johnson.
the
pair.
combo yun. It's very nice. My favorite character sa latest movies kasi like si Bethany.
Yung red hair girl?
No, like
Sino ba yun?
yung I don't wanna say the word, but like yeah, the funny guy. Yes. And then the jokes I did to kay very nice. Like
Anong joke nila?
benta siya, hindi gaya sa
Hindi gaya sa sorry.
Yeah, sure.
Pero yun.
Yes.
So, ano pa pwede
Ano pa ba?
pag-usapan about sa Jumanji? Kasi parang sabi dito ng mga gods natin or mga people, marami pa daw time or short na lang ata.
Short na lang ata.
So anong
that's true.
pag-uusapan pa natin?
I don't know.
Ay! Ganito.
Asa man?
Since ano na ta,
Since-
doon lang tama human, yun na yung lesson namin. So, kamo na lang adjust.
Ako may adjust, guys. Kailangan na, sabi may deadline ha, 11:59.
Oo. Or comment mo ngayon
Comment,
kasi nasa live tayo.
Nasa live tayo.
Oo. Yun. Live talaga to.
Yes,
Oo,
best.
nakikita ko comments nyo. So, dahil dyan, anong masasabi mo?
Ingon si Koan. Okay. Actually gets.
Anong masasabi mo dahil magsisegue na tayo?
Magsisegue na tayo.
Yes!
Okay, magsegue na tayo. Yun lang masasabi ko.
So, anong masasabi mo? Wait lang. Ano mo?
Oh my God, this episode is so chaotic, like the movie. Diba
Chaotic.
chaotic siya.
Kamo adjust.
Chaotic ang movie, pero like, it's very fun, chaotic.
Yeah.
Pero,
Dahil dyan, anong masasabi mo?
sa masasabi ko, okay.
Go!
Koan,
Before we talk about...
yes, before we talk about our second, dali, masasabi ko,
Classic na to, magiging
yeah,
classic na
chaotic
to.
man siya. So, before we talk about Koan, let's talk about another movie na chaotic sa din a sense. Pero before we proceed with our second movie na ma-recommenda mo mga kauban, we'll be back after a very, very short break.
Sus, late na po ko sa akong klase doon sa Ace Building. Hapit na mo ng grace period. Daga na lang ko eh.
Uy, ayaw sa ogtabok. Pastilan bata magdali-dali jud.
Bisan unsa pa ka importante o kadaghan ang unit sa klase, dili kini makabaylo sa imong kinabuhi. Gamita ang pedestrian lane ug tan-aw sa isig ka kilid kung naabay mga sakyanan. Ayaw pagdali para malikayan ang mga aksidente. Pagpabiling nga luwas para maabot nga buhi sa imong destinasyon. Kini nga pahinumdum gikan sa DYUP Sugbo. DYUP Sugbo, kauban nimo.
And we're back.
Yes, we're back.
After short reminder.
Pila ka sa kasang big.
Hindi ko alam. Basta
Ano
hopefully
yun?
na-remind kayo.
Okay, koan guys, let's move on to the second recommendation. Ngayon naman, we're going local. Kay ganiha, we want international, specifically Western. So, we're gonna talk about a movie that represented the Philippines as itself during the 1970s. So,
Interesting.
let me ask you, ano bang significant na nangyari sa Philippines noong 1970s?
I think, nung 1970s, merong isang diktador.
Ay, diktador. Familiar.
Yeah.
Ay, wala namang iba. Nag-iisa lang manata siya sa
Nag-iisa lang
Philippines. Yes. So, this movie is titled
Ano?
Insyang.
Insyang.
So, to give you a full, just an overview of the movie, basically it's Insyang living in the slums of Tondo, Manila. The life there is
It's
poor and
and
it's sad.
and
And
I
I've
was
always
always
taught myself to look for the beauty in it, to look in the beauty in the faces of the children, and to be grateful.
And I would bring this aspect
As a Miss Universe, to see situations with a silver lining,
and to ask us
where I could give something, where I could provide something as our spokesperson. And this, if also I could teach people to be grateful, we can have an amazing
so
world.
negativity could not go and
Foster, and children will have a smile on their face. Thank you.
so ang
Ano
movie
kay
is
Insyang?
kapatid ni Fiang.
Huh? Hindi ko ma-relate. Akala ko sasabihin mo, kapatid ni Insyong.
Okay. Ano ang Insyang?
So, an overview of this is kanang, isa siya ka-teenager. And then, just an overview na good. She basically used sex as a weapon.
Wow.
Yes.
Interesting.
Sex
So how
as
did she do it?
she weaponized sex as a way na kanang makalayo sa iyang.
Ano bang work niya?
She's a teenager lang good.
Okay.
And then pagka home man, she has the kanang siya parent, and yung parent niya kay wala ang father figure, wala siyang father, and then pagka yung mother kay nader. Pero the problem here is yung mama kay na siya nainauyab yung mama. Yeah, it so happen na ang katunggay nakaangay sa iya ha.
Kasi nakaangay.
Nakaangay like into
sa kanya.
Sa kanya.
Doon sa bata?
Yes. And then her mother is very abusive.
Pero alam ng mother na yung uyab niya kay ganahan po sa anak niya.
I don't think, here's the problem here. She got
Pregnant?
AR'd. She got AR'd. Yeah, pagka-home man, nagsumbong she was naghilak yun siya sa ihang kwarto, and then pagka-home, magidoon siya sa iyang mama.
Nakaibaw yung mama.
Nakaibaw yung mama, nag-ingon siya na gi-R siya. And then pagkahuman, her mom believed her at first, but then nung gi-confront na niya ang guy,
Ipaniwala niya ang guy.
yes,
My God.
sabi niya na natukso siya. Kasi daw,
Sabi nung guy.
kasi ano daw niya, like, it's part of being a man na, like,
Someone,
di ba,
no?
very fucked up kayo ang laki.
Yeah.
Super.
So, kailangan lang natin family-friendly dito ng mga terminologies.
Ay, okay. Okay. So, yeah, very ano kaya siya, like, very messed up kayo ang guy. Pero,
Kalain rin na reasoning yun.
she's very smart, sad kay, at the end of the day, the guy was, the guy
okay,
was,
basta yun. You know.
basta yun. Pero what stood out for me the most is that it is an allegory of the Marcos regime.
Yeah.
And then this movie was presented internationally. And you know what, dati kasi, the Philippines was presented as something na very great. The lavish life of the Philippines, the shoes, the shoe collection, and then everything extravaganza sa Philippines. Yet, the kind of sad part of the Philippines, parang like the slums, like the real talaga na kind of masa sa Philippines was not
Realities
showcased. Like, hindi siya nakikita internationally.
Cover up lang siya.
Kanang, yes, basically covered up. And then, it represented the Philippines in a way na, here's our reality.
Holistic siya. Abel na yung realities ng people na gina-cover up or ayaw ipakita ng gobyerno.
Ayaw ipakita ng gobyerno.
Sino ba yung main character doon?
Main character was Insiang, which is our...
Insiang ang name sa main character?
Insiang ang main sa main character.
Okay, kaya pala Insiang ang title.
Yes.
Okay.
And then, of course, the actress is our very own, the greatest Hilda Coronel.
Wow.
Yes.
Siya si, anong movie niya ngayon?
I don't know, actually.
Sisa!
Si Sisa! Okay,
siya si
sorry,
Sisa.
si Sisa.
Christine Basilio, mga anak ko! Tama ba yun? Basta yun.
Yes, basta yun. And then, one of the greatest scenes said for me as the intro. The intro scene.
Like, pinaka-start.
Pinaka-start sa film. Ayon lagi, like, the kalye, the slum of Tondo, niya, pagkahuman, nag-ihaw og baboy.
Oo.
And then, very grotesque kaayo kay pakita gyud ang process, the cleaning process, pag-agi sa machine, pagluba sa throat, kana siya gipakita. And then it's telling you na ganito kalala ang sitwasyon ng Pilipinas that time.
And then, mura po siya, presentation kung how the film would go about as raw as possible.
As raw as possible, yes. Ganun, it's very madugo.
Interesting. Unsang lessons, since we're talking about classics, anong lesson ang madala niya sa current time?
Sa current time, I believe, kanang, the relevance of the time ngayon with the corruption that's happening in the Koan. I don't think, kanang, it served its purpose at that time. Pero now kasi, we have we have Cinemalaya. We have kanang platforms that we can showcase films, magod na. Here's the reality talaga, like, Pero that time kasi, kanang censored ba?
That's yun sana i-bring up ko, like, why relevant gihapon ang film na yun till today? Kasi marami gihapon actually censorship sa,
Actually, pero like,
to be honest, meron
Yeah.
censorship, like for example,
Yes.
sa MTRCB.
MTRCB is
They review movies a lot kay gusto daw nila na ipakita lang yung parang goodness
goodness
honest
of the
goodness
Philippines.
sa Like tong sa movie ni Miss Miss Rodina Singh na Dream Boy.
Yes, Dream Boy.
Ipasa tapos parang
Rated.
ginagawalan ng So, murag at that point parang censorship gihapon siya, which stands at time kung unsang purpose ng film na yun, na to see things as raw as possible and to see situations na real and pressing and kailangan malaman ng tao.
Yes.
Hindi yung sugar-coated lang.
Not really. No, kay it's very sad na up to this day, it's very blatant paghapon. Oh my God, it's a very heavy topic. Ako na ba classics
Parang,
lang. Pero it's good na we get to see the reality of the Philippines that time. More siya here's
Especially
a screenshot.
now, kasi like for example, looking back to 2022,
Mm-mm.
actually, maraming versions of the past or
The past.
versions about
That's what
during 70s.
that's what we call historical distortion. Yes.
Or historical revisionism, am I
Not
right?
really. To ano lang.
What's the
Historical
difference?
revisionism is not necessarily bad. It's historical distortion. Kaya we can rewrite about history na tama gyud, like the accurate one, to replace the old and very wrong side na gisulat. For example, the ones that we have on textbooks. We can revise that.
Parang may mga reactions.
May reactions tayo dito. Pero
Pero
that's something
I
that I've
want to
learned
know.
before. And then, the distinction of historical revisionism and
From distortion.
distortion. The distortion talaga malala. Kaya imagine painting the
Kasi na
Philippines as...
deliberate na gustong ipakita na
For example, they're framing the Philippines na kanang golden era that time. That's one. Distorted na kuan kay the reality is very far from that. No?
Oh my God.
Ang bigat niya.
So, paano natin to?
Para siyang like, it feels like a martial law na special
Special
episode, no?
Pero like, it's good na that we're talking about it. Kasi as long as we keep creating conversations and opening up spaces towards these
This
uncomfortable conversations or maybe mga taboo na conversations people perceive them to be, na at least we're talking about history as we know it. You're talking about the people that experience it. Ganun.
And that makes these films a classic.
Yeah.
Yes. But as a sad, like, there are other kanang Filipino films that are very classic, no? Kanang, do you have something in mind?
Filipino na. Comedies lang talaga sa
Comedies.
akin.
Oh, goodness gracious. I think that's a classic na
Yeah.
for me.
Actually, na-review namin yan. last
na-review
episode.
ninyo.
Yeah. Ang goodness
Okay.
gracious. So kung gusto nyo panoorin yan, go to the next episode.
Click here.
Alis na kayo dito. Joke lang.
Sure lang.
Pero yun. Also, mga classics sa akin, Tanging Inang.
Oo,
Maski like,
ay.
as in real, parang bago-bago na siya, pero for me, classic siya.
Yeah. Mga, yeah. I and Pagkahuman combination with, oh, you know Kimidora?
Oo! Oo, si Eugene,
Si Eugene Domingo.
Dominguez
Yes.
na lang. Domingo. Pati yung babae sa Septic Tank.
Yes.
So good.
Very, very
So maybe
nice.
in the future we'll review those films. So, don't leave just yet mga kauban. Chill lang sa ta and we'll back ulit. So yun ha.
Yes.
Kimidoro super fun.
Yes, Ate Kimi.
Sakay ka. Pero don't leave just yet mga kauban. Chill lang sa and we'll be back after this song.
I've never felt like so miserable. I've never felt like thinking this will last forever. They're just with me. You gotta tell them you don't jump all over me. When stars smile and move, what a hollow in your eyes, just dialing your mind out, fade into place the last two. Praying the how moves reaches us. If you hold me tight, feeling happy so close, will this last long? I've never felt like
And we're back.
We're back.
So ngayon we will assess and synthesize everything that's
Synthesize.
happening. So yung first recommendation was Jumanji.
Jumanji.
And how it falls sa classic na category because it paved the way for the future films as well as rather yung lesson na dala niya is pwede pa rin ma-apply sa ating mundo ngayon.
Yes. And also the second recommendation that we have was Insyang,
Yeah.
filmed in 1970s, no? The reason why I chose that movie because like it's very relevant of this day kasi nakagya po yung censorship na nitabo, and at the same time we can see the realities, like it is a movie that showcased the reality of the Filipinos during that time na very gitry gyud og cover like
Yeah.
sa atong government, no. And yes, the significance said na it garnered some awards and it represented the Philippines on the national stage.
Very well
yes.
during those times. So I think the recommendations today reflect how important it is to look back and how important lessons that may be relevant during that time pass on sa karon na time.
Yes.
So unsa pa ba imong maingon?
And we can also see that the importance good of films like this, like these pieces are art itself, no ma. Kay art is supposed to make the comfortable uncomfortable. I comfort the
Afflicted
and
and afflict the comfortable.
Yes.
Mayong gabi sa inyong tanan.
mayong gabi sa tanan. Yes. So, yes.
Ano
that's
pa ba?
it. That's it na ba?
Yeah, ganun lang.
Mm-mm.
Ang dami kong na-realize for today bukod sa like for example the juxtaposition.
Yes, the juxtaposition of
Word yun. Nakalagay dire. Juxtaposition.
juxtaposition.
Nandito yun. Ang definition.
Yeah, especially
Of the films that we're reviewing actually.
reviewing, no? Okay.
Very different pero very same. You know?
Very light kay yaha. Then pagkahuman we move to something that's very dark and very heavy kay we're speaking about the realities of the Filipinos, and then ang yahasad kay it's more of like fantasy and
Yeah.
adventure.
Mm-mm.
Yes.
So, yun. So, I'm very happy na na-review natin siya ngayon kasi it's great to look back on classics time and time again kasi we get to see how actually when you watch kasi classics dun mo para siyang time machine na ma-look back mo ano yung mukha ng Pilipinas dati, ano yung mukha ng western films dati,
How do they live?
oo, what are
dati?
their life experiences
Mm-mm.
before kasi it's a splice of it. Mong it's important na or it's good na we talked about it today.
And then we can also compare na how those problems like progressed over time, no?
Oo, kung ano ba siya, it progressed like fine wine or like it didn't,
Wala
Basta
yung
yun.
masyadong progress, and pero like it's nice to have these time
Pieces?
time pieces,
Time
no?
pieces? Ba tama ba yun?
Tama.
Tama na lang.
Gawa-gawa na lang siya, no?
Pero yun.
Yes.
So, we hope we got you interested into watching Jumanji and
Insyang.
And let us continue the discussion by interacting with us online, mga kauban.
Yes. So don't forget to follow us on our social stats, DYUP_UPC on Instagram, X, and TikTok.
Yes, and we're also on Spotify and YouTube. That's DYUP Subo.
Yes, thank you so much for tuning in. Catch DJ Hism this Wednesday, 2:30 in the afternoon, Friday, 1:30 in the afternoon, only here at DYUP Subo.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So this has been DJ Hizam.
And this is DJ Jan for
For
Filed
Filed
Under.